Ibotta cash-out delays are usually connected to reward processing, account verification, or issues that need to be reviewed before the payment can be completed. By the end, you'll know why an Ibotta cash-out can be delayed, what you can check inside the app, and what information to provide if you need support. Section 1 is checking the status of your cash-out. When you request a withdrawal through Ibotta, the transaction goes through a review and processing stage before the funds are sent. A delayed status does not automatically mean the cash-out failed. Open the Ibotta app and check your account activity or withdrawal history. Review the current status of the cash-out and look for any messages connected to the request. If the transaction is still showing as pending, avoid creating another withdrawal request for the same balance. Keeping one active request makes it easier to track the issue. Section 2 is checking the common causes of delays. First, confirm that your account details are complete and accurate. Ibotta may require account information to match before processing certain withdrawals. Next, check your email connected to Ibotta. Support or the app may send messages asking you to verify information or complete an additional step. You should also update the Ibotta app if a newer version is available. App updates can fix display issues where a transaction status does not refresh correctly. If the app is not showing the latest information, close the app completely and reopen it. This refreshes your session and can help display the current account status. Section 3 is contacting Ibotta support. If your cash-out remains delayed after checking the app and your account details, contact Ibotta support with the information they need to review the transaction. Include your account email, the amount of the cash-out, the date you requested it, and the current status shown in the app. Attach screenshots of the pending transaction or confirmation message when possible. Clear details help support identify the issue without needing to request the same information later. The key points are simple. Check the cash-out status, verify your account information, and provide complete transaction details if support is needed. Your next step is to open Ibotta, review your withdrawal status, and collect the transaction details before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta cash-out delay, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.